Welcome back, kids. I hope you are ready for your English class. Children, you have heard many stories with moral values like Hare and the Tortoise. Do you know the learning outcome of this story? Okay, write the moral of Hare and the Tortoise in the chat box. Or you must have heard a story of a clever crow that was very thirsty and how it found a way to satisfy its thirst. Or a story about a farmer who had taught his four sons the important lesson of the life. And what's that lesson? Yes, it's union is strength. And kids, in today's class, I'm going to tell you a story about a boy and how he saved the life of one of the wild animals in the jungle. And the title of the story is Joy in Jungle. But now I have a task for you. Listen to the story and enjoy it. But later, think of some other title for the story and give the new title thought by you in the chat box. So kids, open lesson 1 given on page number 10 of your English book Sunbeams, and the name of the chapter is already shared with you, and that is Joy in Jungle. Munu lives in a village near the Kaziranga forest. Very often he roams around the jungle riding on a buffalo. Children, the main character of the story is Munu, and he lived in a village. His village was near a forest called Kaziranga. Children, you ride a bicycle? But Munu doesn't have a bicycle. So he moves around his village on the back of a buffalo. One day, he finds a hollow piece of bamboo. He looks at it. It seems strong and sturdy. While riding on a buffalo, Munu found a piece of bamboo that was empty from inside. Hollow means empty from inside. Munu found that the bamboo was so strong and it couldn't be damaged easily. Hence, he picked up the bamboo. Munu comes back home. He hands over the bamboo piece to his father. Children, Munu brought that piece of bamboo with him and gave it to his Papa. Please make a pipe out of it for me. Father makes a beautiful pipe for him. Munu learns to play the pipe. Children, Munu requested his father to make a flute out of that bamboo piece. Children, pipe means flute. It's a musical instrument and can be played by blowing into it, and it gives melodious sounds. So you know, playing flute needs a lot of practice. Thus Munu started to learn to play flute when his father made a beautiful flute out of that bamboo. One day, while playing the pipe, he gets absorbed, little realizing that he has entered the jungle. So one day what happened? Munu was playing a pipe and he was enjoying so much that he just got lost in playing his flute without noticing that he had entered the forest. He plays the pipe to the delight of birds and animals inside the jungle. As Munu plays the pipe, everything in the jungle begins to change. Children, delight here means happiness. Every animal and bird in the jungle got happy when they heard Munu's pipe, when they heard Munu playing that flute. And do you know, everything started changing. Animals were dancing and birds were chirping with the music. It gets filled with beautiful flowers. Munu is very happy. Not only animals, children, but on hearing the beautiful pipe, Even the pretty flowers started blooming everywhere, and that made Munu very happy. He then notices a rhino rolling in the mud. Munu goes on playing his pipe. The rhino stares at him with wet eyes as if in pain. Children, rhino is a large animal that has a horn on its nose as shown in the slide. And stares here means looks carefully. Children, if you don't know what's a rhino, just Google it to find out. So, while playing a pipe in the jungle, Munu saw a rhino. And what was rhino doing at that time? It was rolling in the mud, as shown in the slide. When rhino saw Munu, it looked at Munu for a long time with pain in its eyes. Munu comes back home. Papa, all the birds and animals in the jungle were happy to hear me play the pipe. But why was Rhino so sad? So when Monu came back home, he asked his father the reason of Rhino's sadness. You know, the Rhino was sad. So he asked his father the reason behind the sadness of Rhino. Son, maybe the rhino is sad because the poachers come and kill them. They take their horns away. Children, Munu's father was not sure about the reason behind Rhino's sadness, but he guessed that Rhino was sad because hunters killed them for their costly horns. Here, poachers means hunters who kill animals for money. Munu is very sad, and on hearing this, Munu got sad, my dear students. Next day, Munu goes to the jungle with his father to see the rhino once again. But she is not there. Munu looks for the rhino. Children, as Munu didn't find rhino, so he started searching for rhino. He finds that rhino is trapped in a ditch. Her baby is standing close to her. Children, they found rhino, but that rhino was trapped, means caught in a huge ditch. Ditch means गड्ढा, बड़ा सा गड्ढा बना हुआ था. That ditch was dug by hunters so that animals fell in it and they could easily catch them. Munu's father called some villagers and together they dig another trench beside the ditch. The trench is like a passage so that the rhino can come out. So children, Munu's father wanted to save rhino, so he called villagers for help. They all dug a huge passage near the ditch which rhino could use to come out. The villagers move aside to allow the rhino to come out. But the rhino doesn't move. Everybody is worried. Children, after digging the passage for rhino, the villagers stepped away so that rhino came out. But when the rhino didn't step out, everybody was worried. Everybody was anxious to know why rhino was not coming out. So children, let's find out what happened next. Munu starts playing his pipe and hearing the melody of the pipe, the rhino stands up and slowly comes out of the ditch. Suddenly Munu got an idea and he started playing his pipe. Munu's plan worked, my dear children, and the rhino came out of that ditch. Munu goes on playing the pipe. Slowly, the rhino disappears deep into the jungle along with her baby. Children, Munu didn't stop. He kept on playing and rhino kept walking with its baby. And together they went far away in the thick forest. So, what have you learned from this chapter? Yes, love animals and promise you will not harm them. So kids, read this chapter twice for better understanding. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.